In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Figma account, a simple yet essential task that ensures the security and privacy of your design work. Whether you're ending a session on a shared computer or just doing a little housekeeping, logging out properly is important. So let's get started. When you're working in Figma, you'll find your profile avatar sitting in the top right corner of the interface. This little circle is your gateway to account options, and it's the first step in logging out. Simply take your cursor and click on that avatar. This action will reveal a drop-down menu presenting you with a selection of options related to your Figma account. Now, within this menu, you'll be searching for the Log Out button. It should be listed among other options such as settings and preferences. Click on Log Out and you're halfway through the process. But we're not done yet. Occasionally, systems like Figma value security so much that they want to make doubly sure you intend to log out, particularly if your current work isn't saved. This is where you might encounter a confirmation prompt. If this happens, simply read the prompt carefully. It will typically ask you to confirm that you wish to proceed with logging out. If everything's in order and you still want to log out, go ahead and select the option that says Confirm or Yes. Voila! You've successfully logged out of your account. This action not only protects your designs from unauthorized access, but also gives your device a fresh start, clearing session data associated with your account. It's a small step, but an important one, especially if you're working on a public or shared computer. A quick tip: make it a habit to log out whenever you're finished, especially when using devices you don't personally own. It's a good security practice that can protect your work from being accessed by someone else. And there you have it, the complete process to properly log out of your Figma account. Following these steps ensures that your work remains confidential and your account remains secure from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped clarify the simple yet crucial step of logging out in Figma. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions or need further assistance on this or any other Figma-related topics. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.